Physical processes involve changes in intermolecular interactions, but don't cause a change in composition of the substance. And a typical example is a phase change. So for example, from ice to water, where the composition of the substance does not change, but the intermolecular interactions are rearranged. Now, chemical processes involve the breaking and formation of chemical bonds and the formation of new substances. So here, for example, you may have two nitrogen-hydrogen bonds being broken, so two hydrogens can attach to an oxygen. So this involves the formation of new substances. Now, sometimes a process can be classified as both physical or chemical. So for example, dissolving salt in water involves the breaking of ionic bonds and the formation of ion-dipole interactions between the ions and the solvent, being the water molecules in this case. So no new substance was formed, and the ions just basically dissociated. But new interactions were formed. So that's why this can be argued as a physical or chemical change.